Whether it's saving money for retirement, paying off a car loan, or just putting some money away for emergencies, we all have financial goals that require long-term planning. The Goals tab helps you make those plans and allows you to visualize them in a simple format. Each goal you create will be tied to only one of the accounts you've added, except for retirement goals, which can be tied to multiple accounts. Click on a goal to open the goal details. Here you'll see the amount you've put aside for that goal so far, as well as the total amount you hope to achieve. You'll also see several other goal details depending on the type of goal. Goals will automatically update as you put money into a savings account or pay off a debt. Click the back arrow in the upper left to return to the main goals screen. It's time to start setting up your goals. To set up a goal, click the plus button at the top right. Next, choose a goal type. You can choose from savings, debt payoff, or retirement. Each type of goal is a little different and requires slightly different information. We'll take a look at each type. We encourage you to start by setting up an emergency savings goal. Saving $1,000 in an emergency-only account is a good start, but working towards 3 to 6 months of living expenses is even better. To create a savings goal, click the savings goal type. Select a more specific type of savings goal from the list. You can choose from emergency fund, automobile, college, home, recreational, vacation, electronic, or other. Edit the details for the goal by clicking on the text in each section. Give it a name and set an amount you would like to save. Click the Select an Account field. A window will appear listing all of your non-checking, non-debt accounts. Click the account you'd like to use for this goal and click Save. The goal will now appear at the top of the goal's main page. To see details and make changes to a savings goal, simply click on the goal as before. If you've already connected a debt account to the Debts tool, the Goals tool will automatically pull in all the information it needs to create a debt goal for you, including balance, APR, and minimum payments. The Goals tool will use your minimum payment information to automatically calculate the date the debt will be repaid, but you can add more to your monthly contribution to pay things off sooner. To create a debt payoff goal, click the plus button on the top right of the main Goals window. Click the Debt Payoff goal type. This will bring up a window that lists all of your debt accounts. Select all the accounts you wish to track and click Save. Each debt account you selected will appear on the goal's main page. Again, to see more details and make changes to debt goals, just click on the goal you want. The last goal type is a retirement goal. Click the plus button on the top right of the main goals window and choose the retirement goal type. If you have already entered personal information in the settings section, your birthday will automatically be imported. Otherwise, you can enter your birth date manually. Choose the age at which you'd like to retire. The default is 65. Enter the amount of money you'd like to have when you retire. Click Current Savings. This will open a window from which you can choose a retirement account. Check one or more retirement accounts. The total balance of the selected accounts will be listed as your current savings. Click Add it here if you need to connect another account to the software. Click Save. Click Save on the next window as well. This goal will now appear on the main page. Now that we've created some goals, we can determine what kind of monthly contribution makes sense for each goal. This will affect when each goal will be achieved. Each goal type is managed a little bit differently. To adjust your contribution and priority for savings goals, click the Add Contribution button on the right. Click Edit Contribution to add the amount you want to put away. Click Save. Click Reorder on the right to adjust the priority of multiple savings goals. Click and drag the goals into the order you prefer and click Done. With your debt goals, your contribution is an amount in addition to your minimum payments for each debt. To adjust your contribution and priority for debt goals, click Add Contribution on the right. Click Edit Contribution and enter a monthly contribution. Click Save. Click the drop-down menu on the right to reorder debt priorities. This will default to Fastest Payoff First. You can also choose Highest Interest First, Lowest Balance First, and Highest Balance First. Follow the same steps to add a retirement goal. With your goals created and your contributions set, The Goals tool can help you estimate how long it will take for you to reach your savings, debt, and retirement goals. Now you can plan for the future with confidence.